me? Nobody. Who was round with me when I was trying to flip me a zip to a P? Nobody. Who went in the studio with me? Nobody. Who did anything for me? Nobody. Who was walking with me down bad, leaving blood in the streets? Nobody. Who can I call? Nobody. How can you fall for? Nobody. Tell me who get you wetter and give it to you better. Nobody. Who can do you all night long? Nobody. Who do I need? Nobody. Who do I need? Nobody. Who do I need? Nobody. I'm a big stepper, take your bitch, I do it better. Don't even try, no need to look. I know my presence got her shook, nothing like him, and she can vouch. I'm a big dog, she take me out. I try my best to behave, but why you?
What's going on, Shooters family? Watch A B in that thing. Easier. New 32 gang member. Damn, I don't like that lighting right there.
Anything, money not the issue. No hesitation, get right with you. I've been misled, I've been abandoned. Like to trail right on the cameras. Never held no grudge, we just don't keep in touch. I seen them signs, but I ignored them. You told me that it was boredom. I'm busy, focused on touring. You busy, worried about whoring.
We got another package. I don't know why they did it like this. Look, it's one box plus this box plus this box. Who does that? Where did it come from? Kentucky. Ooh, that explains everything. This looks like Kentucky. Yeah, Kentucky, alright. Please save this label. Made in China. That's right here.
Creeping down the street, you get a face check. All that rah-rah, get a laser pointed where your face at. I be going crazy, sometimes I need me a straight jacket. Not in the box, then I'm a jacket. Catch him, then his clothes, cast his in his head back in the basket. You got dressed, now you buy that shit, start that capping. For your mama needs some napkins, and you hollow like an addict. Like a TV, I love static, I'ma iron it like some fabric. I'm in now, so what's one more you got? Now down, draw it to creep.
This is the mounting bracket.
Head back in the basket, you got dressed, now you buy that shit, start that capping. For your mama needs a napkin.
What to do with some tape though, I can say that. And last but not least, I can't even see shit. Hold on. Ooh, I'm glad they got it wrapped up properly. God damn. Original production. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'll be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl. Gonna boogie tonight. There's a lot of sleep tonight, girl. To stay home waiting for love. So tonight, I'm gonna do anything I'm into. And that's party. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no, you don't have to go. It's okay, girl. Hey, motherfucker. Yeah, that's what it is. This is it, all assembled. You got the screws in there, bracket L. I'll just get to this wire. Alright, so the first time I attempted to put it on, the housings for the screws came out. As you can see right here, this one has this white piece inside where the screw goes in, and all of the rest of them literally just collapsed and came out all on the floor, as you can see. So I went ahead and went to Advanced Auto right around the block and got some more. So I'm gonna pop these in, and then we will finally be able to put that on there.
Are you turned
Every time I gotta hear me lead like two bits. Who the fuck told you that young thugger gon' fuck up the beat? Keep that same energy, 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 keep that same energy. The same energy. I sleep next to my gun. I don't need body heat. I don't work, bitch. I finesse. Turn that dirty money clean. Making money off my phone while you working and stress. Pinocchio, I'm not a lie. Shit make my wood long. Made this song cause it ain't gonna last long. I'm the one you spend your last on. The one who come through slow when you used to a fast song. The one you wanna bring home and bet who gon' last long. The one who kill a song, who make you feel some. A real ones, they don't even know you love enough to feel some. Thought you gon' kill some, broken hearted still live some. Always speak the truth, nothing to hide. So I'm blunt with you. Been through it all, I might be hard-headed, but trust me, I know what's best for you. Something telling me she may be you. God really took his time with you. I'm trying to go the whole mile with you. Fuck some hoes and rule the town with you. I ain't scared to say it to your face. A bitch gotta be put in her place. Bitch, keep that same energy.
Alright, now that I got everything all wired up and covered, I'm gonna go ahead and run it to the inside.
The same energy, keep 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 the same energy. I'm on my time. If we can't leave right now, bitch, then it's back up the line. Can't get no combo out of me, I'm not a hotline. I made a song, got a wet off a hot nine. I turn them blind like Ray Charles got a hot nine. Ain't no question when you see me, I got mine. Like cause I ain't have time, now I got time. Put me against you, I bet you out outside. Try to treat me like a link, call me Casper. Speed up quick like I'm a order natural disaster. Ain't get no trust, so what I say go. That nigga spine is like Play-Doh. Call me some rims, that's Play-Doh. You crackin' for live, I'd rather lay low. You do what you can, I do what I want. You can't understand, this ain't your fun. She say that she miss me, this dick what she want. She can text me, tell me do what I want. Call her friend, then we going again. Put her Benz, let me whip, took some food. Yeah, she mine, but she got an old dude. Play your shit, we just keeping it cool. Just to throw, that's the only rule. Bet on me, baby, you know you won't lose. Keep that same energy, keep that same energy, keep that same energy, keep that same energy, keep keep that same energy. 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 Keep that same energy.
For the cord, I'm gonna just run it down there through the door. Right here. Alright. So here's our switch, and you can see they had something right here before, so let's put it in there. Press it. Green light. You go up there. You see that thing go. I think I'm gonna have to adjust it. I don't know yet. I feel like it's good where it's angled. So when I turn it on, it'll be like on the street, you know? So it might be good where it's at. We're gonna see.